Today we're doing it Invervar and we're heading for the Glen-Lyon-Four. And there's a wee phone box and a sign posted for us here. A wee bit more information for us. To the hill. These are the rules, try and follow them. Listen to the river flooding down there in spate. A lot of rain. So we go for a wee walk up through this felled wooded section. Just follow the yellow brick road. Some lovely waterfalls, yeah. Basically just keep following the path now until we get to the end of the woods. Hiya, how's it going today? Today I'm doing a Glen-Lyon and we're doing the Four Munros, which they call the Glen-Lyon-Four. We're just at the start of the ridge here, which takes us up the first Munro, Carn Gorm. Have a wee look. There's the sun trying to poke through over the glen there. Not sure it'll succeed right enough. A view back along the ridge, down to the woods there, where we first cut across the wee bridge, then down into Glen-Lyon itself there. Wee nasty squall kicked in there, had to put the waterproofs on. Nearly at the summit now. Pretty miserable up here now. No hang about, let's push on. Sun's trying to get through there. That's our next Munro over there in the distance. I think we do this for fun, eh? That was a nasty wee bit of weather there. Don't know if it's going to clear up at all, but it's passed over. Hopefully we'll get some peace and quiet from it for a wee while. Getting a bit windy up here now, eh? Howling. Wee bit of snow falling now. There's Munro number 3 over there. Heading heading down to the Meall now to head over to Munro number 4. The weather's deteriorated again. Just descend that wee rocky crop there down to the Meall between the two bumps. And now we're heading over to the Munro number 4. That's where we'll end up. That's the final section of the route down to the car park. And then ahead into the final Munro for today. There's all the way over to Carn Gorm over there, above the fir trees. We're on the final ridge of this last Munro here. Another 10 minutes should see us up, I think. Nice wee rainbow at the bottom, as we approach the summit of the last Munro today, just in time for another snow shower. Just head over the west top here and then just descend the big long ridge back down to the glen where we started. Here's the west top. Just follow this track all the way down the ridge, down to the trees where the car is. That's us heading off the last Munro now. Heading straight back down the glen. Yeah, it's been very cold today, very changeable weather. Not the best for sightseeing, but still good to get out on the hills and get a bit of de-stressing done. You can see the Munros clearly now, in between the rain showers. Getting there. Yeah, I must have peeved off the weather gods today. So we've had all 4 seasons finishing with cold sleet. Wow. And a wee bit extra wind. Wet right through to the bone, eh? Anyway, that's us nearly there. Well, that's us back down now, safe and sound, heading down through the woods back to the car. Definitely a day for all seasons, and I'm quite glad that I had everything in my rucksack that I needed, which is quite a good prompt actually, because it's coming into the winter time now and it's going to be time to put ice axes and more thermal clothing and gloves, etc., and the goggles, definitely. So be safe and enjoy yourselves. I'll catch up with you later, eh? Finish with a nice wee waterfall.